Hey there jet ski fans, welcome to another video. In this one I am out riding the X2 at Pine Coulee, chasing down some wakes. What ended up happening, I showed up at Pine Coulee with the 750, 650 swapped XISS and the X2 on the trailer that I had just repaired. The plan was to back the trailer into the water and do some on-trailer testing and tuning to take advantage of the situation that I now have a trailer. Well, as soon as I rolled up to Pine Coulee, it was very obvious that that wasn't going to happen because it was complete chaos. It was very busy at the slip. It is that time of the year. All the kids are out of school, and it was very nice. It has been very nice the past couple of weeks. And so, yeah, lots of people out at the lake. Fortunately, there were a lot of people out making wakes, so I decided to take advantage of the situation, jumped on the X2 and chased down some wakes. Those of you who watched the video on Wednesday will notice that my videos are no longer going to be in order for a little while. I have painted the X2, and the videos that I will be releasing, the next few videos, will actually be from before the X2 was painted. That is just because I have a little bit of a backlog of video footage and I am preparing to go and see the Jet Ski Brothers. So more on that at the end of the video.
Man, I gotta get in here. This is absolute chaos. Absolute chaos. That was fun. Man, that was fun. What a lovely day. If I had some jet trim, I might have tried to hang on to it, but I bruised my heels last time I was out doing that. I lost my sunglasses. I know that all this stuff is going to look really small on camera, but that was insane. That was huge. I mean, not for guys who are used to riding surf, but what ended up happening was the wake from one boat ended up meeting up with the wake of the other boat. I got in between them and yeah, hit the peak of the, what do you call it, when the frequencies match. When two frequencies don't match, they cancel each other out. But when they match, they amplify. Yeah, anyway. It was intense. I lost my sunglasses. That's too bad. But I'm having a good ride. I should probably check to see how much fuel I have, because all these full throttle blasts, they use up a lot of fuel. And this thing's a pig. I'll take a little cruise down to the inlet thing, see if those guys are still there fishing. I was in there earlier on the 750, 650, and yeah, there are some people fishing in there.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound start to see it. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumble around. think I need a little lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go to war, but won't let it when I'll take this stab. I wanna chase the bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I can see my dreams,
is happening there. I think I got I think I got a water line off. There's a lot of water coming out. What came off this time? Oh yeah, that is a lot of water, folks. Oh, she popped off in a different place this time. I'm gonna have to get hose clamps, folks. Yeah, so it popped off here this time. Last time I was out, it popped off in there, so I'm gonna have to start running hose clamps on all of these.
Some of you may be wondering why my X2 would be acting up just because it's dumping a little water under the hood. And I'm pretty sure that what's happening is that it's actually ingesting a whole bunch of water. So the water, either as steam, mist, or even liquid, is actually getting into the carburetors, and that's what's momentarily causing it to act up. I put the line back on, took it out for another ride after this, and it worked perfectly fine immediately. So I don't think it has anything to do with getting electronics wet or anything like that, because they wouldn't dry out that quickly. I was planning on setting up a buoy course. I had mentioned in one of my last videos that I wanted to set up a buoy course in the little inlet. What happened at first was I went down there and there were a couple of fishermen in a boat in that area. So I left. I came back on the X2 later and there was 3 separate families of ducks with ducklings. And so I'm going to have to wait until a little bit later in the year before I can set that up. My videos over the next couple of weeks might be a little bit sporadic. I might have to post on different days. I might actually miss a few uploads. And the reason for that is that I'm going to visit the Jet Ski Brothers. And when I do that, I want to make the most of my time. But it usually takes me a full day to edit a video and get it uploaded and do all that stuff because I'm really slow. So if I am there and I release like 3 videos, that's basically 3 days of my time. We might do a live stream. I might decide to do one myself. Maybe I'll do a few if I'm just sitting around and doing nothing. It's probably not going to be go, go, go the whole time that I'm there. I'm really looking forward to helping the guys out with some projects and going and visiting their track lap. It'll be pretty cool to see that. I am worried about a few things. I'm worried about salt water in the X2. I'm worried about getting my X2 seized at the border crossing. I'm just being super paranoid. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. All that stuff helps. I will see you next time.